नमस्कार आणि येवकार तुमकां आयच्या ह्या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीत. बरेचदा आम्ही इन्स्पिरेशना खातीर इंटरनेटार वता आणि काहीशे फोटोग्राफ्स पळयता किंवा पेंटिंग्स पळयता. अशोच एक इन्सिडेंट म्हाज्या कडेन घडलो जेन्ना एक हांवें रेफरन्स म्हाका जो पिक जाय आसलो त्या खातीर हांव पेंटिंग्स किंवा फोटोग्राफ्स पळयतालो. तेन्नाच म्हाका एक पेंटिंग दिसलें आणि आय वॉज रियली इंट्रिक्ड टुवर्ड्स दॅट पर्टिक्युलर पेंटिंग. आय लायक द ह्युमन इमोशन पोर्ट्रेड इन दॅट पेंटिंग. आय ऑल्सो लायक द रियल लायफ पोर्ट्रेड इन द पेंटिंग. सो म्हणून हांवें आनीक थोडे रेफरन्सीस पेंटिंग त्याच आर्टिस्टाचे पळयले. पळयता पळयता I was so engrossed that I liked the work that that individual was doing. So I just kind of researched myself and I found that artist to be Radhika Gaitonde. So I spoke to her. I said, I need to speak to her and I need to get a lot of inspiration, a lot of feedback of her work. So when I spoke to her, I found that she is based in Mumbai, but has roots in Goa as well. So I was a little more inspirational, but like, hey, his story just is very special. I need to bring that work to Goa and also introduce that artist to Goa. तशी ओळख वेगळी करून दिवपाची गरज ना. But I have with me a professional artist based in Mumbai, but has roots in Goa. That is Radhika Gaitonde. Radhika, welcome to the show.
Hello, hi.
Okay, Radhika, since we have mentioned Goa and you are a professional artist, people would be very interested to know what Goa connection you have. So we will start from there.
Goa has been like my heart place. I love Goa. I'm sure everyone in this world loves Goa. So for me, the connection has been like I did my schooling here, and I have like many friends in Goa. So leaving Goa after school and going to Bombay was like little, So, but yeah.
That was the end of the vacation for you.
I know, absolutely, yeah. So now since I'm here, I'm very happy.
Okay. So what I liked about your work, and that's the reason I have got you on this particular platform and we are sharing your work here, is there are a lot of paintings that I've seen and there is a lot of real life incidents or real life, motion or movement depicted in your work. Hey, this is something that you've inspired. What was the story behind this particular thing?
So the thing is, doing realistic work, I have got inspiration from this artist named Shashikant Dhotre. He is a wonderful, brilliant artist who is into realism. So this was at the age of 23. I attended his exhibition once in Mumbai, Nehru Center, and I personally met this person. I really got inspired because he left he is not only focuses on his paintings, but his total concentration and everything is left everything behind, and he's so focused with realism that I went and asked him, what colors do you use? How do you do that? And I got so inspired. From that age, I said, let me at least practice doing something towards realism because I got too inspired by him. Of course, I have many inspiration, artists, but Shashikant Dhotre is one of the case, yeah.
So I will just continue this question is, real life incidents, movements, and also you see a lot of human emotions पण आपण बघतो when somebody is smiling, somebody's at grief, somebody's at ease, relaxed at maybe a beach or kind of a thing. So when you want to depict human emotion, there are also some colors. Yes, you have mentioned Shashikant Dhotre is an amazing artist. How was that journey of understanding the colors? Obviously, you can draw somebody smiling, but when you want to express it in terms of colors, it is a difficult challenge. So how was that journey understanding this human emotion?
Colors, I would say, since I was 4, लहानपणापासून wherever my parents gave me books and I used to be like, please books देऊ नका, give me something related to colors, say crayons or something like that. And the first painting I did was when I was 4-year-old. So incident असा होता की my grandfather was admitted to the hospital and I kind of took a book and colors and I actually could visualize the scene, those nurses, the people in the ICU and everything. I ते मी पेपरावर portray केलं and it became so colorful that when my grandfather came home, since that day he used to collect my paintings. And from there I realized that colors in my life had been a very important part. कारण ते colors सगळे पेपरावर उठून दिसले, and so everyone was like, oh my god, this is so colorful, हे खूप छान झालंय. So from then I had this to towards colors. And that's why I try to use different bright colors in my painting.
Okay,
Yeah.
you've mentioned the incident at the hospital. तुम्ही तुमच्या ग्रँडफादरचा पण उल्लेख केला. I believe he has played a very important role. अजून कोण होते in terms of initial जो आपला growth होता in terms of art, apart from your grandfather, who has supported you over this course of time?
I think my mother, because my mother has been the most, she's a critic. So म्हणजे काही घाणेरडं असलं म्हणजे काही चांगलं नाही हे घाणेरडं आहे, प्लीज चेंज कर or just do it properly, this is not good, इथे मिस्टेक्स झाली आहे. My dad, yes, to some extent, but you know how dad figure, he's always काय ग मुली छान झालंय बाळा हे ते. But I was my biggest critic then when I initial start केलं. Grandfather, yes, of course, he's always been keeping a file of my paintings since that age. So yeah, my mother is the biggest critic, and she has been अजूनपर्यंत मी इथे जे ग्रो झाली आहे, it's because of my mother. And yes, after marriage, my husband, definitely.
I really wanted to ask you because घरी initially आपण असतो तेव्हा obviously your parents support in whatever you do. I was surprised.
Been very supportive, yeah.
I was surprised when you said that your mother was the biggest critic. Usually, sometimes father is the critic, but mother is always the pampers and says, "हे पण चांगलं झालं, ते पण
चांगलं." So it's like, "नाही छान झालंय," तर असं आहे.
बरं, initially आपण डिटेल मध्ये तुमच्या कामाबद्दल बोलूच, but since you have mentioned your husband and in-laws, so I would want to understand की आपण जो gradual shift झाला after marriage. Were your in-laws and your husband and the new family was very supportive in terms of pursuing your dream?
खरं सांगायचं तर very much supportive. I never expected, म्हणजे माझं लग्न झालं, it's been almost more than a year, and I never expected की अशी एवढी supportive family असेल. They have been not only supportive, but my husband is the one who will be like, अगं नाही ग, तुला ना असे आयडियाज कर, तू हे छान दिसेल, this is the case, use. In fact, he is not into my line at all. Art's and his business is totally different. तरी he just sits and tells me की असे आयडिया कर, लोकांना हे आवडेल, रिस्पॉन्स तुला ह्याला चांगला आहे, तुझे ह्यानी विकले जाईल पेंटिंग. ही इज द वन हू इज लाईक खूप. आणि माय इनलॉज, येस, दे आर व्हेरी सपोर्टिव्ह. म्हणजे काही केलं ना तरी, इनफॅक्ट 2 दिवस पेंटिंग नाही केलं तरी, अगं कर ग, खूप छान कर, तुझा हात जाईल. दे आर व्हेरी सपोर्टिव्ह अँड व्हेरी, मला असं खूप बरं वाटतं की आय गॉट अ लवली फॅमिली. सो या.
ओके. ऑल्सो स्पीकिंग अबाउट युअर वर्क, तुमच्या कामात बरेचदा आपण ऑब्व्हियसली ह्युमन इमोशन, जसं मी म्हटलं, रिअल लाईफ इन्सिडेन्सेस दिसतात. बट देर इफ यू मायनस द प्रायमरी फोकस, दॅट इज द ह्युमन or the person, पाठीमागे एक चांगला असा सेटअप असतो, बॅकग्राऊंड असतो, whether it is some temple which looks like maybe Vrindavan or that kind of north side. At sometimes it also looks like Goa kind of a feel where you are laid back, आपण आहे कुठेतरी रिसॉर्ट मध्ये or हट्स मध्ये, किंवा आपण कुठेतरी टिपिकल पोर्चुगीज, इंडो पोर्चुगीज हाऊस मध्ये आहोत. The background also plays a very important role in your work, So I want to understand that the travel is incorporated in your paintings.
Yes, because माझा कसा सवय, wherever I go, if I'm going somewhere, if I generally carry a book किंवा असं पेन, where तिथे बसून मी असे स्केचेस करते आणि घरी येऊन I paint it की remembering that की असं. But in case I don't carry a book and a pen, then I click. Luckily, I'm good with pictures, so I click good pictures, come home and then paint as it is, कि मला इथे माहिती. And of course, मी additional हे काम खूप करते. Like if there is just a photo where there are only trees and all, I incorporate human beings in that. कि असे whatever I've seen, कि इथे बसलेला होता, इथे खात होता, इथे this person was selling this. So yeah, background, as you said, plays a very important role. कुठचंही picture आलं ना, की first the thing is you have to decide की पाठी काय यायला पाहिजे, behind the scenes, as you say. So yeah, that's a very important thing. So मला असं बघून wherever I go, I carry, or as I said, photographs वगैरे काढून I do it. So असं.
So obviously the subject is important, and also the background is also very important.
Very important, yeah.
मी अजून एक तुम्हाला विचारेन की एवढे तुम्ही आता लहानपणापासून you've been working, you've been doing artworks. आता पण obviously you have progressed over this journey. आतापर्यंत असं आठवलेलं एक चांगलं पेंटिंग तुमचं, or maybe something that somebody has appreciated and has been, the best work that, Radhika has done till date?
I think yes, there was this painting of Ganga Ghat, Varanasi, where everyone loved it, and in between there's an art competition. So मला वाटलं I would just post it and see if response काय असेल. I never thought की काय, I never expected की winning चं काय आहे. I just said let me put in and see. And luckily I got the first prize, All India competition, art competition. So that was a great thing for me. And there's another painting of an old man. So I got lot of appreciation. Ki खूप छान है, खूप realistic है. So there are many things people have appreciated, and I love that. I love appreciation. So yeah.
So as you said, appreciation is important. तुम्हाला critic जेवढे पाहिजे तेवढे appreciation पण पाहिजे. And there is a thin line in understanding that nuance. एक important गोष्ट is now that we are in the age of pandemic, we hardly meet people. आपण हा पण interview करतो, digitally करतो. There have been good things, there have been bad things also of this era that we are living for the last 3 months. As an artist, as a professional artist, how are you analyzing this situation? म्हणजे आपण लॉकडाऊन मध्ये बऱ्याच आर्टिस्ट कडे बोललोय, त्यांची पण फीडबॅक होती की येस इट इज अ टाइम दॅट विल पास बाय, बट ऑब्वियसली what I look at art is sometimes a luxury which is not a necessity. How do you analyze your work as maybe a necessity to a luxury?
Honestly, आता काय होतं, as you said, लॉकडाऊन मध्ये पेंटिंग्स कोण विकत घेत नाही, since it's a luxury, they don't want to put their expense in paintings. So मी काय करते, I imagine lot of things in that time, आणि मी ते पेंटिंग्स करून I upload it on social media. So कोणाला आवडतं तर ते तिथे सांगतात की we would like to buy this, why आम्ही तुम्हाला म्हणजे हे संपल्यावर अप्रोच करू and we would buy something like that. So या लॉकडाऊन मध्ये आय हॅव बीन ट्राईंग डिफरंट पेंटिंग्स, कॉमन नाही, जे लोकांना या कंटाळ्याच्या वातावरणात काहीतरी असं पटकन सोशल मीडिया, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम बघितलं, दे वुड बी लाईक वाव, हे काहीतरी वेगळं आहे, सो दे विल बी अट्रॅक्टेड टुवर्ड्स दॅट. अँड I'm sure they'll wait and for the painting to get through them. Maybe lockdown over असेल, संपल्यानंतर they will definitely buy it from me. But yeah, I try to do something unique so that they just feel की नाही, हे पेंटिंग घ्यायचंच आहे हिच्याकडून, आता मला खर्च नाही करायचा ह्याच्याकडे या लॉकडाऊन मध्ये, पण पुढे मी नक्की घेणार. So I've been getting a couple of orders also in this lockdown. So they are on hold because of this condition. But yes, I try to do something different also.
There is also one more thing that I want to ask is, a lot of people aspire a career in arts. Now, sometimes people say it doesn't make money. Obviously, there are professional artists who make, comfortable take home. What is your maybe suggestion or guidance to the new artists or people who have this kind of passion, especially in the young age?
Okay. So I think for them, I would say, if you really like art, passion म्हणून practice करा as much as, don't run after money. जर तुम्हाला see, for me, I never look upon money. मी करत जाते, that is my passion. I love painting. मिळाले, I upload it on social media just for people to like, and if I get orders, yes. But I would tell them ki don't run after money. Just enjoy your color, enjoy with the brushes, enjoy with paints. And तुमची जी कधी कधी काय होतं, हिडन क्रिएटिव्हिटी असते ना, तुमची बाहेर येत नाही, ती या ह्याच्यात मे बी असली तरी तुम्ही काढाल बाहेर. It's not की even though you don't do realistic painting, just play with colors, splash kara, do anything, but just हे करा. आणि you never know, one day people might just like whatever, even though you've splashed the color, people might just like and buy it. You never know where you're going to grow nowadays. So just do it, enjoy it. It can be absolutely abstract, yes. If you see, just one line can also make a big difference.
Very true. I sometimes have difficulties understanding it, but obviously
correct.
that is art for a lot of people. Again, when we say pandemic, we are also in a digital age. म्हणजे आपण बरेचदा earlier there used to be exhibitions or word of mouth. आता हे सगळं बदललंय. म्हणजे वी यूज अ लॉट ऑफ डिजिटल प्लॅटफॉर्म टू पुश आवर वर्क टू ऑल दिस पीपल दॅट वी नो अँड पीपल दॅट वी डोंट नो. हाऊ हॅज डिजिटल एज, तुम्ही मेन्शन केलं मगाशी की इंस्टाग्राम, ऑल दिस सोशल मीडिया प्लॅटफॉर्म हॅज हेल्प यू ऑल्सो वर्क विथ देम. सो जो कोण नवीन आर्टिस्ट आहे ज्याला वाटतं की आपलं वर्क शुड बी पुश्ड इन दिस वर्ल्ड, व्हॉट वुड बी युअर टिप?
I think they should have a page of their own if they want to show it to the world. मग पेज केलं की काय होतं, दे कॅन स्टार्ट अपलोडिंग देअर न्यू वर्क, काही असेल छोटे छोटे गोष्टी असेल, ऑर दे मेट हॅव अ वेबसाईट. ऑफकोर्स आय नो वेबसाईट विल कॉस्ट देम, पण त्यांना असंच घालायचं असेल तर नावडेज एव्हरीवन इज ऑन सोशल मीडिया, एनी प्लॅटफॉर्म, इट कुड बी फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, वॉट एव्हर. सो जस्ट वॉट एव्हर यू डू तुम्ही अपलोड करा, अँड दॅट्स इट. आय थिंक आजकालचे जनरेशन पिक्स अप व्हेरी फास्ट. काही आलं की दे नो व्हॉट इज. सो whatever you do, just upload it. I just say that.
Okay, and just continuing our coronavirus pandemic days, did you for the last 1-2-3 months you have said you are understanding the situation, looking there outside and trying to work something creative on the canvas. ह्या लॉकडाऊन मध्ये तुम्ही अशी काही पेंटिंग केली आहेत का ज्याच्यात आपण डेपिक्शन, म्हणजे का मी विचारतोय इज बिकॉज देयर वॉज दिस वन जेंटलमॅन हू मेन्शन दॅट दिस पिरियड when the migrants were shifting to their villages, it looked as if it was 1947 for him. So a person who has seen 1947 has seen 2020, obviously he realizes that there is a huge migration of people. There is a lot of misery, there is a lot of pain on people's faces. आपण हा विषय, कारण यू वर्क विथ अ लॉट ऑफ रिअल मुवमेंट्स और ह्युमन इमोशन्स, आपण केलं का ह्याच्यावर काही काम?
I have done some paintings regarding this. So I have been trying to portray की women's or म्हणजे people's emotions, की या सिच्युएशन मध्ये कोण सॅड असतं, कोण हॅपी असतं. But I have also, as we mentioned earlier, background is the most important thing. So I've kept the background happy and trying to show people's emotion की या ह्याच्यात पण लोक कसे खुश राहू शकतात. So that kind of a thing I have worked on. Maybe if you see this painting, if you could see her emotions, तुम्हाला दिसतंय का?
Perfect.
So I've tried to work on emotions. So yeah, असं आहे, just try to be happy and I would say that's it.
ओके, जस्ट शिफ्टिंग द फोकस. आपण बरेचदा म्हणतो की लहानपणापासून आपल्याला आवड जी होते त्याच्यात आपण करिअर केलं तर यू कॅन बी हॅपी इन युअर रिअल लाईफ. इन युअर केस यू अंडरस्टँड दॅट पर्टिक्युलर ऍस्पेक्ट क्वाईट अर्ली. त्याच्यानंतर ते हॉस्पिटलचा इन्सिडेंट झाला आणि ऑब्व्हियसली युअर फॅमिली सपोर्टेड यू बिग टाइम, अँड ऑब्व्हियसली नाव पोस्ट युअर मॅरेज ऑल्सो दे आर सपोर्टिंग युअर इन लॉज अँड युअर हजबंड इज सपोर्टिंग यू इन दिस वर्क. हाऊ इम्पॉर्टंट इज आर्ट फॉर अ किड? म्हणजे तो बहुतेक एक 5 वर्षाचा असेल किंवा इनिशियली जेव्हा आपण वी हॅव अ सब्जेक्ट कॉल्ड आर्ट्स. आता हाऊ डू वी एनग्रॉस, बिकॉज मी बरेचदा एनालाइज करतो की even if you're a brand manager or a accountant or any non-creative background, you need to understand those nuances which happens. Maybe if there is a product, if there is a service, you can analyze it better and visualize it better rather. So how important is education, art education for kids in early age?
See, at the age of 5, एक तर मुलं खूप लहान असतात. You cannot put a burden on them. Nowadays parents, I feel, जबरदस्ती classes ना घालतात at a very small age. Like 5 years is too small. आणि I think एका चाइल्डला आर्ट करणं, if you tell them, if you give them paper and colors, I would recommend kids ना forcefully काही draw करण्यापेक्षा I would suggest them की तुम्ही त्यांना सांगायचं की काही करा पेपरवर. The cloud might be orange color, not necessary जबरदस्ती tell them it's blue color. Let their creativity come out, because age group 5 is too small. किंवा कुठचेही kids below 7 to 8 is too small. They can enjoy with colors as they want. म्हणजे but कधी कधी आता नाव आय सी लहान मुलांना बघून त्यांच्या इमॅजिनेशन इज मच वे मोर, म्हणजे ते काही इमॅजिन करू शकतात. मग आपल्याला पण वाटतं वाव, देअर इमॅजिनेशन इज लाईक ब्युटिफुल, त्यांच्याकडून आपल्याला शिकायला मिळतं. सो आय थिंक त्यांना जर पुश नाही केलं, जबरदस्ती नाही केली की तुम्ही हेच करा, सो आय डोंट थिंक, म्हणजे फॉर किड्स हु आर 5 years वगैरे, लेटर स्टेज इफ यू अंडरस्टँड द चाइल्ड इज गुड इन आर्ट, then maybe you can help him practice with some blocks or small things. आणि जनरली 8-9 वर्षानंतर किंवा कळायला लागतं की दिस पर्सन इज very very much into this line. So तरी I won't say की 8-9 वर्षाच्या ह्याला की करिअर डिसाइड करता येतं. But yeah, if he wants to pursue something that 8-9 years now, maybe he can go for classes, learn how to draw, or someone can teach him personal teaching असतं ना, like how to color किंवा कुठच्या बॉर्डरच्या बाहेर येता कामा नये. But yeah, not for kids as you mentioned. 5-6 years, I think their creativity should just come out like that. They should असेच, म्हणजे मी जशी कलरशी खेळायची तशी, just use anything हे असं. So yeah, and like basically imagination is the most important thing. How किती जास्ती imagination करता येईल out of the box is very important. You do anything, imagination is the main thing. Yeah,
I think simply put, why should Taj Mahal be always white? It can be red, pink, yellow, green, anything that you want. So as an artist, Radhika, if I want to ask you is, what is your future aspirations that you look forward to?
As in profession, म्हणजे तुम्ही या दृष्टीने, I think my aim, maybe 5-6 years down the line, my aim is to hold an art exhibition, a solo one. And माझा मेजर हे जहांगीर आर्ट गॅलरीला भरवायचे, ते माझं स्वप्नच आहे. विच जहांगीर गॅलरी मध्ये खूप ह्यूज लाईन असते,
मेक्का ऑफ इंडियन आर्ट.
करेक्ट. So yeah, my dream is to hold an art exhibition someday. So I'm trying to reach that level. And of course, yeah, I think by doing that, I myself will feel proud of myself and maybe my family members. So ते आधीपासूनची इच्छा होती की माझे पेंटिंग्स जहांगीरला लागावे. And for that I have been taking a lot of efforts also. Maybe कुठे थोडे इथे पुढे कमी पडत असतील, but yeah, that is my aim to reach there. So let's see.
So at the end of the day, if I want to ask is, if people have seen your work flash on the screen आणि त्यांना जर आवड आहे to get in touch with you, or they want to rather buy your paintings, how do they get in touch with you? I don't want to share my secret.
So I have this page on Instagram named Calligraph Studios. So they can go in that and follow my page. I put my paintings there. आणि Facebook वर my name is Radhika Nevrekar, so they can follow my Facebook page and there are paintings on that page, so they can just have a look there. आणि they can ask me to inbox and I can share them my email ID, and further process they can just I can email it to them. Yeah.
So I think interestingly, I think we've covered most of the part. Is there anything that you would like to add?
आय थिंक सगळ्या लोकांना मी सांगेन की तुम्ही जे लॉकडाऊन मध्ये सगळे असे कंटाळून बसतात किंवा असे बोर झाले असतात, की ते तुम्हाला कधी कधी माहित नसणार तुमच्या आतल्या ह्याच्यात की तुमच्या आतमध्ये ती क्रिएटिव्हिटी असणार. आय थिंक आय वुड लाईक टू टेल एव्हरीवन की ती बाहेर काढा. जस्ट डोंट सिट अँड से आय एम बोर्ड. जस्ट डू समथिंग. टेक पेपर. इट नॉट नेसेसरी बी पेंटिंग, म्हणजे रिअलिस्टिक पेंटिंग. डू एनिथिंग. टेक कलर्स. तुम्ही क्राफ्ट करा, काय काय बनवा. देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स. इफ यू सी मुंबईच्या काला घोडा मध्ये देर आर डिफरंट गोष्टी प्लॅस्टिकच्या बॉटल्स पासून काहीतरी बनवतात. किंवा rather than saying there is nothing to do and कंटाळा, do something. Just do something. It may be anything, using safety pins, plastic bottles. Yeah. So I would just say that, just enjoy. And
so I think you have to keep yourself busy. You have to dream and imagine things. म्हणजे आपण बरेचदा म्हणतो की घरी बसलो काही काम नाही. So I think if you can imagine, there are so many things around us. You can do a lot of creative. You need not be a creative person, but you can do a lot of creative where you can engage with your family members and do something, maybe a project kind of work. So I think very importantly is for you to aspire in the creative world, I think you have to dream, and dream with your open eyes. Radhika, correct me if I'm wrong.
Absolutely right. Dream, yes. Dream and work towards your dream if you really want to achieve that. Yeah.
And that's precise point I want to add, that if you work hard, you will always gain success, and more importantly, there will be people around you who will support you in the good work that you are doing. And I think you can make a mark for yourself. It can be any profession that you want to work. Obviously, even art as
and one more thing I want to tell की ज्यांना हे आर्टचं कधी कधी करायचं असतं ना, their parents and family is not supportive की काय आर्ट करताय तुम्ही, you guys will not earn as much as a, पण that's not the case. तुम्ही करा पेंटिंग्स, तुम्ही इमॅजिनेशन रिअली वर्क्स. पेंटिंग्स लोक घेतीलच आय एम शुअर इफ यू डू सम इमॅजिनेशन, कारण आजकाल घरात पण असे पेंटिंग्स लावतात. यू मे नॉट अर्न दॅट मच, पण येस आय थिंक डोंट करिअर मुलांना जे करायचं असेल आर्ट मध्ये, तर पेरेंट्स शुड नॉट टेल देम की हे करू नका बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. इट विल डेफिनेटली वर्क. माय एक्सपिरियन्सने मी सांगते की लेट द क्रिएटिव्हिटी कम आउट इट यू. कधी कधी फोर्सफुली इंजिनियर व्हा, डॉक्टर व्हा असं अजूनही असतं. सो यू इट्स आय वोंट रेकमेंड दॅट. या
सो आय थिंक आपण बरेचदा बघतो की आपण आता सध्या वेबसिरीजचा ट्रेंड आला. आपण वेबसिरीज मध्ये कॉन्टेंट क्रिएटर्स जर बघितले ते सगळे IIT चे आहेत, जे त्यांनी डिग्री मिळवली बट त्यांना आवडलं नाही ते शिफ्टेड अँड दे आर मेकिंग क्रिएटिव्ह कॉन्टेंट. सो आय थिंक यू शुड परस्यू युअर ड्रीम. अँड जसं आपण म्हणतो की when a lot of artists come, that art becomes accessible, and art is not only a luxury but it is accessible for common man also. Correct. I think I would end my program here. Radhika, thank you very much for joining us from Mumbai on this very special program. आणि जर तुमका ही कार्यावळ आवडली तर आवर्जून आमका संपर्क करा. आणि जर हातूर दाखवले सगळे काम जर राधिकाचे तुमका आवडले जर आवर्जून त्याचे सोशल मीडिया हँडल्साचेर चला आणि गेट कनेक्टेड विथ हर. ही कार्यावळ हांगाच सोंपयता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट.